In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user on Google Workspace from homepage of Admin Console. This walkthrough is perfect for administrators who need to remove an account cleanly and confidently while understanding what's happening at each step. You'll need admin permissions to do this, ideally super admin, so make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right access. Start by opening the Google Admin Console. From the home page, you'll see a variety of tiles that control different parts of your organization. Look for the Users section. This is where you manage all the accounts in your domain. Click Users to open the full list of active users. On the Users page, find the person you intend to remove. To reveal account actions, hover your cursor over that user's row. You'll see a More Options icon, typically shown as 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the Quick Actions menu. Taking a moment here to double check you have the correct account selected can prevent accidental deletions, especially in large organizations where names can be similar. In the menu that appears, select Delete User. This tells Google Workspace that you want to remove the account and all associated access. When you choose this, Google will show a confirmation screen. This is an important checkpoint designed to help you understand the impact of deleting a user. Mail delivery to this account will stop, sign-ins will be blocked, and licenses assigned to the user will be freed up. Depending on your organization's policies and settings, data such as drive files, calendar events, and other content may be permanently removed unless it's handled by your admin processes. Review the details on the confirmation screen carefully. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, click Continue to Delete. Google will process the deletion and remove the account from your active user list. In most cases, changes take effect quickly, but it can take a short time to propagate across all services. A few helpful notes to keep in mind. If a user was deleted by mistake, Google Workspace generally allows a limited restoration window, often up to 20 days, so act promptly if you need to recover the account. Also, if your goal is only to cut off access temporarily, consider whether suspending the user might be a better fit for your organization's policy before you proceed with deletion. That's it. You've removed a user directly from the Admin Console home flow by opening Users, using the More Options menu, selecting Delete User, and confirming with Continue to Delete.